They didn't look too friendly. Oh my God, there's so many steps. I think I might have lost the trail. What was that? When will it end? This is not what I envisaged. At all.
Sun Moon Lake, a serene and peaceful alpine lake in the midst of Taiwan. A place where you can come and hike, cycle around the lake, soak in the relaxing and stunning landscape.
About a 30k round trip around the whole of the lake. So I'm up pretty early. It's very quiet actually. It was very quiet when I arrived last night as well. So I just popped to 7-Eleven, got myself a nice coffee and some breakfast. So I'm going to enjoy that first and then I'm going to hit the road.
I thought a 30k loop around a lake would be easy, but I was about to be proved wrong.
So, behind me, I'm not sure whether those tyres are there to stop people like falling off quite a high ledge. I'm not quite sure how fast they think people are going to cycle. But safety first. I'm not sure this is the best place to have a bit of a rest and walk amongst all the trees, but it's nice and cool. Right, before the monkeys or the snakes get me, I'll hop back on the bike.
And as the morning mist lifted, it reveals the stunning turquoise waters. And you can also see the traditional fishing boats which used to have 4 nets on either side. And the bike path suddenly started to disappear, and lots of steps and strange ramps started to appear.
An absolutely stunning day. Perfect day for a bike ride, and an even better time to go to the pier and enjoy some lunch.
And after I'd enjoyed lunch and a bubble tea, it was time to head off for the next part of my cycle around the lake. Or so I thought.
I think I might have lost the trail. I've been on some very, very steep roads for quite a while and I've not seen any bike track signs, any markers. I just keep going further up and up, up and up and up. Partly walking, partly cycling, and it's absolutely roasting. Oh no, where is it? Where's the bike path? That was scary. Camper vans that literally had no spatial awareness whatsoever. I almost thought I was going to get knocked off the road. But anyway, safety of a bike track. Phew. Don't believe it. Can't believe it.
What seemed like an eternity of riding on very steep roads. What goes up must come down. And as the signs for a bike path reappeared, it wasn't quite a smooth bike path that I really could cycle on.
I saw a sign that said, pass very quickly. I'm not quite sure then what I need to pass quickly from, so I'm going to pass quickly, as quick as I can. Oh my God. Oh. I've just seen 4 huge monkeys, the biggest I've seen in the wild, and they didn't look too friendly. And to be honest, I haven't got the energy to do much about it. And now I've got millions of steps to deal with. So this is not the scenic ride around the lake for a 30k. What was that? Oh my God. Okay, keep moving, just keep moving. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's so many steps. What? Do not let monkeys attack me. Do not let me see humongous tarantulas. And just let me get me to the lake now. Thank you, God. I'm glad I'm out of there. And I'm glad I'm heading this way. I have no idea how long it is until my hotel. And I have a feeling it's all the way over there. That looks a long way. That is where my hotel is.
I did it. I rode the 30k around, well, sort of, around the lake.